In today's video, I'll walk you through how you can use just one powerful AI tool to generate daily income. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just looking to build a side hustle, all you need is an internet connection and a little creativity. 1. ChatGPT plus Canva. Here's what people are doing. They go to ChatGPT and ask it to write something like 10 motivational quotes about success or 5 tips for mental health. Then they take those quotes and plug them into Canva using a free template. Once the designs are ready, they upload them to Etsy as printable wall art or post them as Instagram content, and charge for sponsored posts, or even offer them as a digital product pack on Gumroad. 2. Kittl.com. Kittl is an AI-powered design tool that helps you create professional-looking t-shirts, logos, or social media graphics instantly. People are using this to launch mini-print on-demand stores using sites like Redbubble or Teespring. You create the design in minutes, and the platforms handle the rest, even shipping. 3. Writesonic or Jasper AI. These tools help write blog posts, product descriptions, or full ebooks automatically. You can sell content writing services on Fiverr or Upwork, or even publish and sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle. One user made $900 in 2 weeks selling I generated short books. All of these methods are beginner-friendly, don't require upfront investment, and scale easily. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for weekly tools, hacks, and side hustles that actually work. Let me know in the comments, which AI tool are you going to try first?